Huh? Oh! Whoa! What? Donald! Goofy! Why do you guys look like monsters?
You do too!
Well, you both scared me. Whoa!
Seriously? Is this how we blend in here?
That's right! It's about time you got on!
Oh? Could you guys take a few steps back? You're giving me the heebie-jeebies.
You take a step back!
Come on! I think our new look could turn out to be lots of fun.
Wonder what kind of weirdos live here.
Who'da thunk he'd get so creeped out?
It says, we scare because we care?
That's odd!
Doesn't sound very caring.
If they look like us, then they could be trouble. I think we better investigate.
Oh!
Ooh! Ooh!
Whoa!
Wee!
Boo!
I wonder who those guys are.
What? Careful, Sully. If they see the KID.
It's fine. We got nothing to hide.
But you're the CEO. You set the example. Guys, it's not what it looks like. Okay, listen. That kid over there just popped out of nowhere. We gotta call the CDA. It's, oh yeah, a code 835.
Are you trying to scare that little girl?
Yes! I mean, no. We're done with scare power. Nobody's getting scared.
Mike, take it easy.
You should too, Sora. You see? She's happy.
Oh. Hello. My name is Sora.
Boo!
Oh, is that your name? Nice to meet you, Boo.
Hold on! You guys really aren't afraid of humans?
Mike Wazowski!
Huh?
Come on, Boo! I'm Mike Wazowski!
Mike Wazowski!
Well, you can see the resemblance. That googly bear eye.
What's going on? I'm Donald Duck! Mike Wazowski!
I'm Goofy.
Well, my name's Sully, and this is...
Oh, we know. Mike Wazowski, right?
What's the matter, Boo?
Huh? No! That's not the Heartless's emblem!
Then what?
And how come I feel like I might have seen them before?
Well, they aren't friendly.
Stay here, Kitty. We'll be back.
Those guys are right, Sully. This has got bad news written all over it.
Yeah, we gotta keep Boo safe.
I'm on it.
Here we go! See ya! There! Heal! That was close. Got him.
All right.
Nice, Sully. Even with those extra pounds you put on.
Still running circles around you, Butterball.
Kitty!
What? So any idea who those guys were?
Well, they couldn't have been heartless.
It's on the tip of my tongue. I remember the king told us something about negative emotions.
Unversed?
Oh yeah, them!
Unversed.
Uh-huh. A while back, the king fought a whole bunch of battles against them with the 3 missing Keyblade wielders.
The same 3 that we're looking for? Aqua, Terra, and Ventus?
We need more dependable help than you!
Hey!
Still, how come the Unversed are showing up now?
I should be testing your screen power!
Hey, I told you we're through using that! Besides, we have no idea who or what you're talking about.
Oh, you'd really like the king.
Uh-oh! Order!
Basically, we've come from far away to get rid of those creatures causing trouble. We're like exterminators?
Just how far away?
As far as you can imagine.
Okay, let's just say we buy all that. Are those creeps dangerous?
Extremely!
They sure gave Boo a scare.
Sully, I know you've missed her, but it's time to postpone our playdate.
You're right, Mikey. Let's get our girl home.
What are you planning to do?
It's kind of a long story, but Boo's from another world, and we gotta send it back there to keep us safe.
Okay then. We're gonna help you.
What?
Well, the Unversed might try to cause more trouble. So we want to come along.
Great! We could use a couple of exterminators around here.
Yeah, thanks.
Always gotta help!
Hey, they need us. Besides, We need to figure out how all those unversed got here.
I'll feel much better when Boo's back in her own room.
Gotta send her home right now, or so help me! So help me! So help me!
So, Monsters Incorporated used to rely on screen power from human kids for energy.
So help me!
But now we collect their laughter instead.
Gotta send her
It
home
turns
right now, or so
out
help
laughter is
me.
10
So help
times
me.
more
So help
powerful.
me.
Kitty!
And we never figured it out without Boo.
Cool.
Our ship's powered by laughter, too. Guess we've got that in common.
So is the laughter machine!
Come on, I am not.
Whoa!
Unversed are back!
This is terrible.
Look! There's Boo's door! Go get Boo!
We'll have to play another time, Boo. You stay here.
Ready to clean house?
Right here!
Nice.
Grab onto the door when you're ready.
Got it. Ready. Whoa. Whoa.
Boo? Hold on. Don't want you to get hurt.
Boo's door, here we come!
I just got a great idea.
Not here too!
Keep Boo out of harm's way. We'll handle the bad guys.
offline! We have to power it up!
More bad guys!
Don't worry, I'll watch Boo.
Okay, yeah. Sora, we gotta make Boo have to open the door. Hurry, help me take out these goons.
Later! Here we go! Yeah! 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 Ha! So long!
Time for some magic.
Ha-ha! Yeah! So long! Back off!
More of them?
Back off! Try this! See ya! There! Take this! Yeah! 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 See ya!
You guys are doing great!
Yeah! Take this! There! Light! There! Heal! Yeah! Here we go! See ya! Over here! Hey, what are we doing? Whoa, I'm dizzy.
The door's open! Whose door?
Ready? It's time to hitch another ride.
Cool.
There it is!
Wait! How'd we take a wrong turn?
Who cares? All that matters is that it's the last turn that you losers are ever gonna take.
Randall!
Who's he?
A creep we banished for trying to collect screams by force. He used to be Boo's scared.
How did you even get back here? The door we sent you through is sawdust!
Yeah, and I almost got turned into somebody's wallet. Lucky for me, a real nice guy came along and fixed the door. So here I am. And starting today, I'm numero uno, top of the leaderboard, baby.
Ha! You a top laugh collector? In your dreams, Randall. My laugh totals are off the charts.
Who said anything about collecting laughs? I'm after negative emotions. And my new friends have kindly invaded the factory to get 'em for me.
Negative emotions?
He's gotta know.
Yeah, Organization 13 must be helping them.
Laughter's just not sustainable. Once Junior torts his last chortle, you've gotta start over. But negative energy, especially sadness, give them something that really breaks their little hearts. And they'll stay sad forever. We'll never have to worry about energy again.
We're not gonna let you hurt anyone like that!
Huh?
Not you or your little unversed helpers!
Just try and stop me. You'll see soon enough. I am gonna be a legend around this place. Now, consider your careers officially over.
What?
And that goes for the rest of you, too.
Hey! Where'd he go?
We're in control of this factory now, and I suggested a few improvements. Some real doozies I just know you're gonna love. In fact, you're not getting out of here alive.
That weasel means business. He'll never quit.
We have got to get Boo to safety first. Then we can take care of Randall. Time to find a way out.
Yeah.
Hey! What's with the machines? They've gone totally bonkers! There's no way we can take Boo through here safely.
This must be what Randall meant by improvements.
Once.
Nothing we can't handle.
Yep.
Sully, maybe you and Mike should take Boo someplace that's safe.
Right.
If you find a contraption controlling those things and smash it, that should do the trick.
Maybe we could use the parts here to avoid the lasers.
Great! The power's out again!
Okay, we know what to do. Gotta find Bingo!
Huh?
Mike? How's that supposed to help? That's good.
Yep, take it away.
Nice try, Mike.
What?
I'm not doing this
Wait.
alone.
Hey, you, not me. Come on. Sully. Whoa. No, stop. Sully, not what I had in mind.
Oh, it's on! Nice work, guys!
Move!
Come back. You can't run off, kid.
Oh.
Kitty!
Ah, there you are. Oh, that paint was kind of growing on me.
Woo! This is way better. Ah, hey, no. Would you cut that out?
Kitty!
Ah!
Boo, come here.
Sully, let's get her out of here.
The Heartless are here too? Here we go! Over here so long!
You're doomed.
Back off! There! It's over!
You're doomed. Hey, look, over here. You're doomed.
Once we get through here, we're clear.
Yep, this is the central control unit for the whole factory. Now, what do you say? We get out of here.
Let me!
Whoa! Hey, hey! Show a little finesse!
Oh.
Rats! Randall must have messed this up. Nothing works.
We can't get out!
Maybe it would be faster to just break it.
Oh, that's brilliant!
Ah!
Hang on.
Oh.
think I've got a better idea. If we can just short it out, the lock will disengage. And lucky for us, Boo is a walking energy generator.
That might work.
You're our MVP, Boo.
Ooh.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
I'm on it.